wing over. Nice big wing over there. All four plays information. Should come and form into a form barrel. Keeping it tight in the airway, so that's one of three. Of four ships boosted. The Sky Aces will perform. Halfway through there now. They're doing an amazing job. Only meters from each other there in the sky. And out there. They head into the third. All four work. Red Kind, you'll see the number 4 split away there. Rolling around those two blades, inverted, Top Gun style. That's a massive big torque roll from Glenn. We'll suffer a bit of vertigo here. Up there, at the back as he smiles. Back down to earth. Reforming out the back. Should have a formation roll. And Collins avoiding the avalanche at the top. Pull that through. The other three coming through. So the three formations work right and center, you can see there. So get them ready for the split, ladies. Here we go, the Sky Ace split. How good. Now we get the Warbirds over scone. So while he keeps you busy with the left hand, we got the other three landing over on our right side, ladies and gentlemen. Small turn up to your left, still not finished. Ladies and gentlemen here from the Sky Aces. We'll do it all again tomorrow as well, so